Hi, I'm Bill from LongIslandHotTub.com, outdoor hot tub expert, and we're here at Bullfrog Spas in Salt Lake City, Utah. I'm here at the factory assembly line, and we're witnessing some of the Bullfrog Spas actually being manufactured here. So we're here in the assembly area for the new 2013 Bullfrog Spas, and so the new Bullfrog 2013 spas have a brand new jetpack design. It's called H2 Air, and they're completely different from the previous jetpacks. The previous jetpacks had basically a bunch of plumbing in the back of it, and the next generation of the jetpacks now has a unique manifold with no plumbing. The one that we're looking at right now is called Wellness, and so the Wellness works a little bit different from the previous jetpacks, where it actually has this manifold system along the back. The jets are completely integrated, and it has a new position where it plugs into the tub in the bottom rather than at the top. It's a very simple, user-friendly installation. Alright, so this is where all the magic happens. This is actually like Santa's workshop. This is where the elves actually build the toys. This is the A8 spa mold. A recent revision is they've just changed the area where the topside controls fit in. This used to be cut out. Now it's going to have a shape to it to make it a little bit stronger. This is some of the molds for some of the new H2 Air jetpacks. And so they're still fine sanding them and making them ready for production. All right, so we're here at the top secret testing lab in Bullfrog Spas. And so this computer is actually monitoring the data for one of the new 2013 Bullfrog Spas. So this data basically shows what the ambient temperature is. It's being kept at around 60 degrees. What the water temperature is, which is it's keeping right around 102, and this shows 3.5 days of data. And what the results are is that these spas are now more energy efficient than the original Bullfrog spa model, the 2012. This is a look at the controlled environment chamber. So you'll see the spa in here. In the future, they'll be testing other competitor spas in the same environment so we can see how we match up against other spas as well. All right, we're here with one of the molds for the new 2013 spas. This is the A8L. It's an 8-foot spa with a lounger in it. And this is the mold that when the acrylic gets laid up, warmed, and then gets vacuum formed into this mold. This is the starting point for the spa, and then it makes it strip down the entire assembly line. It's hot in there. here. Here we're on the assembly line section where, after the spa has been formed, this is the area where some of the holes get drilled into the spa, where some of the jets and suction fittings go into the spas. You can see that they have the acrylic spa. It already has its rigidicizer on it for strength and stability. Okay, we're here on the assembly line, and now we're at the station where they're putting in all the fittings. This is where the filters are going to be. The main drains are going to be right in here, and so the fittings are going in. The next step is piping. Okay, so we're here in the area where the equipment packs are. So this is the equipment pack and heater. They have the different pumps. Some of them are European and some of them are American. And then we also have all of the ABS plastic bases. So this is the tray that the entire spa sits on. It's this real strong, solid ABS base, and this solid sealed base prevents rodents and other things from happening or getting into the spa and underneath the spa. All right, we're here in the wet test area. This is where all the spas get wet tested. Right now they're filled with water. They're testing the color changing lights, checking all the jets, and looking for leaks. They run for about 3 hours, and then they get drained, and then it's off to insulation, cabinet, and prep to be shipped out. So we're in the cabinet finishing area. This is one of the new colors and the new styles for the 2013 spas. It's called Hazelnut. What's new about these boards is that it's a wider plank and it's a horizontal board rather than the traditional vertical boards that we saw in the 2012 Bullfrog spas. Okay, so we're here at the end of the line, and this is a Bullfrog spa that's ready for trucking. So it has cardboard protection on it. It's got foam padding all the way around it, and it has this shrink wrap film on it so that it's ready to be put on the truck. Can handle the trip across the country back to New York, and it's ready to be delivered to our office.